Welcome back to my let's play of my world. Oh my god, I can hear a cow over there. Where is it? Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's lagging, it's lagging, it's lagging. There's lots of trees up there. But I'm not gonna. Oh, the cow is like right there. Okay, let's kill it for food and leather. Whoa, just got hurt. Okay, I got some food. It's good. I got some food. That's good. Cause I'll die soon enough if nobody's gonna help me. Okay, wait. If there's no wood here, I need to climb up there. So you're gonna see me mountain climbing up. With my stone sword. So you might as well have to sit down, cause it's gonna be very boring. Mind this and go up, right? Dude, what's with you? Oh my god. Are you okay, little? Okay, what do I go next? Okay, I'm just gonna mine this one. And go up. You know what? Since this is my world, I get to do anything I want. So, yeah. I'm just gonna, unfortunately, have to see whether block will stop or not. Okay, wait. Sorry, guys. But this is gonna take forever if I keep doing this. Ooh, look at this. I'm at the brim. Okay, I'm gonna collect all this wood. I'm scared to drop, so I'm just gonna go ahead. Oh my god, my reactions are really slow. I think I downloaded a different of Minecraft. No! Okay, wait. Go to this one. Go. Bruh! That's good. Okay, let's go up. Oh, that zoomed to me really far. Oof! Yes. Yay! Okay, so there's lots of trees here. So I'm gonna mine every single tree. Cause it made me climb up a huge mountain. This should be where I built my house, you know. Okay, wait, I'm gonna put dirt here, dirt. Come on. Okay, chop. Let's get chopping. Okay, oh my god. Oh, it's seriously lagging for me. I don't know what is it like for you all, but yeah. Let's just mine some more trees. Oh my god, I hate the lag. Oh my god, I hate the lag. I hate it. Gosh, I hate it. I guess there's no livestock for me in this place. So oh my god, I'm containing a huge lake. Okay, how many would I have? Okay, 15. I'm gonna make all that into a share whatever. Careful. careful, careful. Oh, I thought I just made a 6 crafting table stand. Whew, that was close. Okay, next tree. Right here. Okay, I can see my wall over there. And I can see lots of mobs. Luckily there's more mobs here. Should I say that? I'm gonna jinx it. Probably shouldn't have set this in high. But that's what all that places are for. So I'm just gonna stay with it. Jumper, jumper. Wait, how come that? I still see one cow over there. How come that thing is not getting gone? I'm just gonna set this to easy first, and then when I'm ready, and then I set it to hard. So yeah. Okay, so down, down, low, down, up, down, low, down, up, down, low. Okay. Oh, my reactions are super slow when it comes to these things. Okay, next tray. There's still one wood here, so I'm just gonna take it. Okay. Sorry for the night, guys, but I have no choice. So I'll just have to stay with it, okay? Put dirt. Probably gonna break my axe here. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Okay, one more tree. Wait. If I see another tree, I'm gonna kill it. Oh, why am I so slow? Okay, there's no more trees. I don't know why these leaves are not gone, but yeah. Stumper lumper. Dun dun dun. I think this video is dragging on for too long. No way. Okay, so this is an acceptable drop. Oh, Z legs. Okay, I'm just gonna go down. Okay, if I aim for the water, let's aim for the water, right? Okay, I go for this spot. Whoa, 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 whoa. Relax, little dude. Okay, I just returned my phone, so I can see a sheep over there. Okay, I don't care about whatever, but just gonna. Oh my god, I hate the Lord. Gonna kill this sheep. Kill it. Yes, one wool. I get 3 wool. I'll be so excited. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna end the video here. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later. This is Shy to Play. See you.